Ladies and gentlemen, and ladies, welcome back to the shop for another install video on the 22 Civic Sport. And in today's video, we're going to be installing side skirts that I bought off eBay. And like I said in the previous video, these are under $100. So in today's video, what we're going to be using a jack, 4 jack stands. We're going to get it all up. We're going to get it all level. I'm going to put the thing together. It comes in 3 separate pieces, just like the front lip did. It comes gloss black, but I think it will actually look pretty good with the gloss black wheels. We shall see. We'll get it on, see what it looks like. So if I want later, I can paint it either blue or matte black to match the front lip or to match the body. Not quite sure, but I actually think it would probably look pretty good between the gloss black wheels. So let's get it put together. I'll show you how to do that real quick. Real easy, 4 screws. And then we'll get it up underneath and see what we're really working with. All right, so it comes in 3 pieces. Here's the end piece, the middle piece, and the front piece. Now this front piece, you're most likely gonna end up cutting. So what you're gonna do is you have these 2 holes with these 2 screw heads. It just falls right in place and you put the screws in. Same thing with the front. It comes with 8 fine thread screws, 4 for each skirt. And then it comes with 4 long brackets, 2 for each skirt. What you want to do is you want to put them over just like this, and then when you mount it, you're going to mount the screws right through this bracket. And then it comes with 12 small brackets that get spread out and throughout the skirt. And then it comes with 32 regular screws, but I recommend using these. Go to Home Depot, they were 10 bucks for 50 self-tap 8mm heads. All right, so what I did here is I took some Scotch tape and just taped them on there just so they'd hold, see where they go. They probably won't be the last place, but just a little test fit. Okay, so we got it on the jack stands. As it says in the instructions, you're gonna have to cut a little bit off. So we got it mocked up pretty much where we want it, about 2 inches out. I actually would like it to be a little further in here, maybe a ½ inch further in down there. But to actually get a lift underneath it, we're gonna have to keep it out a little bit further. So what I'm gonna end up having to do is I'm gonna have to cut a little bit off of here until the future video where I'm gonna have to cut a little bit more off. So I'm going to make a mark here of where I want to cut it. And I'm going to cut it about right here. Actually looks pretty good. Now, it is gloss black. Again, I know the front lip is matte, but I'm going to put it on anyway. And I might end up painting it matte. I might end up painting it blue. I'm not sure. We'll see how it looks clean because the car is actually pretty dirty. So I'm going to put it on anyway, see what it looks like. If I don't like it, I'll just take it off. But if I do end up getting it painted matte or blue, I'm gonna have my body guy fill in these seams right here. I'm not sure what they'll look like actually on the car once it's all screwed up in there. Now, I'm keeping it about 2 inches out from here, from the rocker panel, and 2 inches out from here. I'll show you where to put your jack stands and to jack it up here shortly. It was hard to show you earlier because it was so low to the ground. So let me pull this off and let me show you that. So you want to put your jack stands here. And right there, right where the little bracket comes down off the pinch weld, it's really hard and sturdy, that's where you want to put them. Okay, so now I'm going to go drill the pilot holes. I'm going to use a 7/64 bit. 2 for each bracket. so you want to put the brackets roughly about 2 inches from the inside. 2 inches from the inside, as you can see here from the tape measure. And then I took 1.5 inches off the edge. As you can see, all the pilot holes are drilled. So we're gonna put it back on the car, see what it looks like. Hopefully it looks really good. Okay, so you need to remove this. You have to remove this right here or we'll never get the side skirt on. It's 2 rivets, drill them out. All right, the passenger side is done. It actually looks really good. I'm actually pretty impressed. Even with it gloss, it looks good. I can't wait to look at it clean. What do you guys think? There's a jack back under, drop it down. I just want to thank Tater so much for helping me out. Thank you, Tater. Everybody, leave a comment in the comments section thanking Tater for helping me out. I'm gonna run to the recon department, clean her up, give her a nice bath, and see what she really looks like, all nice and shiny. Tell me she ain't pretty. I'll tell you what, the more and more I do to this thing, the better and better it looks, obviously. That's what I'm looking for, so. But man, I'll tell you what, just adding those skirts and that front lip, it looks so much lower. And I didn't do any lowering at all. Not yet. Hint, hint. But she's looking gorgeous. As weird as it may seem, gloss side skirts actually match really well considering the gloss wheels, especially when it's clean and the tires are shined. Actually looks really good. I'm surprised. So remember, leave a number 1 for gloss and number 2 for matte in the comments below. Whatever you guys decide is what I will do. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like rating. And as always, this is your boy Miller. I'll see you in the next one.